Well, good morning, guys. It's Wednesday morning, September 6th. Gonna see if we can't shoot a couple doves before we got to go into work. We got about 5 minutes till shooting light. Still sitting in the truck. It's kind of dark. Ain't seen nothing. Nobody else is here, so I'm just gonna wait it out and see if anybody shows up. I'll get out and I'll walk to where I want to be. But until I see a bird, I'm just gonna sit right here and wait on it. If any of y'all have ever hunted around natural gas rigs before, boy, they will scare the fire out of you when they fire up every time. Sounds like some spaceship. And they just start going. Man, it'll spook you. It'll spook you real bad. Well, we got all set up this morning. Gonna shoot the old A400. Gonna see if we can't get them. But seen a couple, so I hopped out the truck and said we might as well try them. So we'll see how this plays out. This is it right here, guys. This is what I'm here for. Let's look at that. Well, guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for this morning. We've seen a few birds and I had an opportunity, but they was a little far. So we only got here about an hour and a half this morning before I gotta go to work. So I reckon we're gonna pick up the old bucket and unload the gun and head on our way. We'll come back out this afternoon and see how we do. All right, guys, we're back at it this afternoon. It is 98 degrees is what the truck says. I ended up leaving my wallet at work and I had to give my number to the lady at the gas station. She let me get a couple drinks and I gotta pay her back later. So shout out to the lady at the gas station. That was clutch right there. But we're gonna head back out to the north side and see if we can't kill a few more. It's 3:07 and we're gonna try to hunt till sundown at least. I ain't got nowhere to be this time, so we'll see how it rolls out. Got a little bit of tornado action on the dove field. How about that one? Well, guys, we're walking out. It's raining on us out of nowhere. Seen some pretty cool stuff. Looked like a tornado. We seen a couple other folks shoot some birds. We ended up just popping one. Sat with some really cool guys, super nice. So we will see what this weekend brings in South Alabama for the Southern opener. So what's up, guys? We finally made it down here to South Alabama. Went and did a little scouting this afternoon, and boy, it looks good. It looks real good. We got up here to Mark's place, and he was kind enough to let us get up here and at least look. He let us stay in his camper for the night, and we're gonna cook him a little steak dinner and see how that rolls. But he's got beans planted out here. We're gonna head up to the top field in the morning and set out all our stuff and get ready for noon to come around. So there's the Southern opener. We'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's Saturday morning, about almost 10 or about 9:30. We headed out to the trail we got to take to the field just to help clear it up. We got to get a tractor and a buggy full of folks through here helping out the farmer. So we're gonna start chopping, make sure we got a path, and we'll wait for folks to start showing up. See them? What are you talking about?
Down there.
All of them raccoon traps?
Yeah. They're down here washing food, I guess. For being trash pandas, they're pretty clean.
Opening day, 1 o'clock, seen one bird. Gonna get everything set up, all the GoPros, and Brian's over there hiding in the damn tree.
Hey man, gotta stay.
They got him a nice little shady spot, so we're gonna see how it goes.
That's it right here, son. Gotta put camouflage on your chair. Y'all lame. You gotta get you a dove chair with some camo straps.
See?
All it takes is a single feather.
Exactly. I dropped plenty of birds right over his head last year. You just gotta kill them when you can.
Damn right.
First bird of the day, baby. Let's go get it.
Hey, up. Made some glasses out here. Hey, is anybody over on that tree, Avery? What? No, my one about that just open.
Just fucking.
Oh, it's right here beside me. I was about to say, ain't no damn way I've been shot.
That was it right there.
Actually get shot. What's going on?
What's going on?
Easy.
Nice shot, Andrew, on that bird.
Yeah. Oh, Brylan, that was him.
Brylan.
That was
That was
Andrew.
me.
I saw Andrew.
No, dude, I only shot once. And
I got him on left.
yeah.
Are those doves or no?
Oh, is that dragonfly? We're gonna get shit on from the backside if we ain't paying attention.
Yeah, you ain't lying, dog.
Oh,
Is that a dove?
no,
That's
Rock dove, don't
Right.
fucking shoot.
Yeah, that's rock dove.
That's a
Oh,
swallow.
that's a swallow.
That's-
That's a swallow. Man, y'all are crazy.
Sorry,
Yeah.
man. Can't be too safe out here, you know what I'm saying?
Dude, was that first dove that came like
Can't
the
be too
first dove of the day that
The
came?
one that I thought they were rock doves.
So that's why I didn't shoot because I'm like,
I thought they were, but I was
Make
like,
sure that
man,
flag
dude, through my
gets stood
glasses
back
it
up.
looked brown.
There's
I'm
no
like,
telling. Y'all get ready.
You got one in here?
Yeah, he's in the tree. Y'all get ready. Keep your eye out. He said he's in
Why?
the tree.
go that way.
Hey, y'all go that way.
Yep.
Come here, Brylan. Get right here. Square up.
Keep circling.
Kill him.
Brother,
Coming towards you. Coming towards
Shoot
you.
Right above you.
Right above you. Shoot him.
Above you, above you.
Above you. He's walking.
That's too low.
Low bird. Low bird. Low bird. Hey, got.
You good? Did you get it?
Hell no. Hey, miss like hell.
Can't hear him.
Hey.
Deaf.
Over your chair. Right up. Shoot him. Shoot him.
See.
Oh, damn. He's right over your chair. See, there he goes. He's in that tree back there.
Oh, I see him now. Hey, we're gonna go
Hold
get back
on.
in our spot.
See, look, he's fixing to turn around. He's fixing to turn around. Y'all watch him.
Hey, get back.
See him?
No.
You see him?
Yep.
He's still flying?
I don't know.
Say, he ran way back there.
That sounds like the wrong dove.
Let's go get back in our seats. Keep him pushing.
I ain't really worried about it, man. I don't think y'all.
Oh, he's gonna flex like hell.
Brylan, kill that bird. Why you
Oh, we hit it. Hey.
Did you hear him start yelling?
Oh, I
Andy
unloaded
quit.
his gun. That was the shot right there. Oh, man. That was good.
That's great. Hey.
That was good right there.
No way.
Hey, go back to pissing. Apparently, whenever you try to piss, doves fly.
I swear, that's the second time I've tried to piss. We done shot one and shot at another and got him. Got like 10 birds down. They're shooting. There we go. Oh, I got him. Good shot. Good shot.
You got it. Up.
Low bird. Hey, right here. I think I got that one.
Hold on.
Hey, who got that one?
Hey.
I got it. I see it.
Hey, Avery. 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 Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Do not shoot. Do not shoot. Do not shoot.
I know. I was waiting for them to come to me.
Hey!
Woo!
Nice. Behind you, B, behind. Hey, low bird, behind you, Phil.
Love it.
Alright, grab your bird, come on. Hurry up, grab your bird, let's go. Fuck my bird. My bird ain't worth my life.
Where's it at?
Huh?
Where's it at?
I don't know.
Don't shoot that bird. Hey, right here, behind you. Hey, shoot him.
I hit him. My bird.
Hey, where's that one ball?
Back.
My bird's out there
Look
somewhere.
at Avery. I got 80 yards in the sky. Damn. Oh, yeah. Good shot.
That dude can shoot.
Hey, bird out front. Duck. Don't shoot.
That's mine.
Don't shoot.
Hey, I got that one.
Where'd that other one fall?
Right there in that tree.
That's mine. That's my bird.
Hey, right here. Right here. Kill him. You sure?
Behind you, coming around. Hey, give me shells. Hey, right there coming to Avery.
Hey, kill that bird, Dad.
Huh?
We're just still out there, ain't it?
Yes.
There's three out there.
Huh?
There's three out there.
Well, I'm going to get mine.
Okay, there's two out there.
Hey, Andrew.
Yeah.
Did you get that one that was right here?
Hey, two.
Did you get the one that was right here?
Huh?
Coming over you.
I'm out of shell.
Okay.
Hey, y'all want to...
Hey, right behind me.
Kill that dove. Avery, shoot it. Oh, Dad got it. Good shot.
Good shot.
Oh. Dad got him. Don't shoot. That's it right there. 3 for 3. 3 for 3. Love bird.
John Richard, behind you.
Hey, it's in the tree. Just calm down. Yes, sir. What was that? 9 birds? 9 birds in 5 seconds.
Something like that.
Hey,
you
buddy.
buddy.
Coming over.
Coming over.
Behind you. Watch this. Coop up. Oh, good shot. Shoot another.
Get him.
Go get him in the tree. Watch this. Oh, he got it. He got that. I was waiting for one to poke right here, and I just. Hey, right there. Cooper, get him. Come in. That was Cooper's bird. Oh, buddy. Getting hot. Getting hot in here. So take up. Oh, shit. Dad! Ah! Oh, shit. Fill up! My bird. Oh, yeah.
Get his ass.
Oh, that was, oh my God. Who was that?
Me.
That was him, but like, we hit him. Me and you both hit
All
him.
right,
We'll go get him. We'll go get him. Go get him. Hurry up. We got birds coming in.
To the right. Right now.
Good shooting. Oh, drop the shell. I couldn't shoot him. I couldn't shoot that bird. He was sitting right there. I didn't see it. When I go through it, yep. They're gonna count. No, we gotta count. I seen you shot 2. You shot 1 going to get it.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Good shot, buddy. Good shoot.
That's 8.
Yes, sir.
Look, we're gonna have to start counting.
Now,
Hold on.
we got a whole pouch full.
Oh, no. Okay, I'm about to say, dude, we got a pouch for that reason.
Put the Gatorade now.
No, I'm having to cool down.
You ever get that bird in the tree?
Yeah.
It flew off.
See him? See him flying out there?
Yep.
Watch it. Let me tuck underneath this chair right here.
Hey, get caught. Hey, push up, push up, push up. I'll bust him up.
Come on.
Probably gonna get fucked.
Hey, right here.
We ain't gonna kill that bird. He's a little far.
Just a little bit.
I said, hey, what up? I said, what up?
Oh, that's it right there.
Yeah, I did too.
He's
Oh,
coming
buddy.
back.
I probably hit him right on his ass.
John Richard, was that you or Dad? Oh,
Hey, there he is right there. He's coming back.
Alright, flying down the tree line.
come on, shoot him.
Come on, Avery.
Oh, did he get him? No, he's still flying. Oh, he missed him.
He got too far, too.
He got
Yeah.
too far, yeah. All right. Oh, come on, get him. Oh, they didn't get him.
That's the first time I think I've ever seen him miss.
He's been laying him down.
I did.
That dude has
Oh,
not been
buddy.
using a...
Poof. All right, guys, we're 5 away from a 3-man limit, and it's like, I don't know, what, 5:30?
Yeah.
What time is it?
We still got plenty of daylight
5:15.
left.
It is 5:15.
And we still got 2 hours of shooting.
Yeah, we still got 2 hours of shooting. We got 5 left.
Hey, right here. Look.
On the backside. Oh,
Leaving so quick.
but 5 away from a 3-man
Because I guess
limit.
they're getting their
Little
loads.
brother and girl. He got, they got their limit earlier. Dad's at 11. John Richard's at, I think, John Richard, what you at? He's at 11 as well. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Holy shit, right here. Come down the middle.
Kill that bird. Kill him.
Phil!
Kill them all!
All right, guys. Well, we're what, 3 away from a limit?
Yep,
3 away from a 3-man limit. It's not even 6 o'clock yet, and it has turned into absolute chaos.
We're shot
Sounds like Nom out here right now.
Freaking knob. Oh, right here.
I see.
Don't move.
Kill him.
Kill him.
You
got that one.
I didn't.
You don't let nobody got his...
Kill that dove.
Yeah, a little bit more. Hey, right.
Shoot up,
Come
shoot
down
up,
the pipe.
up, kill him. Oh, you missed him.
Emma.
Oh, come on, throw some more shells in the gun.
Ow, fuck.
Well, we lost one, and one of them kept flying. Somebody else got him. He killed him, so I'm gonna let him. All right, guys, we got an hour till shooting light ends, and we are 1 bird shy of a 3-man limit. Still, Dad's just a couple shy, so is John, and Brylan is, I think, what does that make? 5? He's 5 shy of another limit.
Yep.
So almost everybody in our group's got a limit. So we're gonna roll this last hour, see if we can't kill another one.
Hey. B coming to you.
Heads up!
Brolin.
Oh, he's high.
He's
That one's
high.
high.
Too high.
Y'all want to fire and
Oh my God!
Don't move. Stop moving.
2, 1. Oh my God! That's beautiful. That's going on YouTube. How the hell?
Oh my God.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That thing just had
21 shells, and that dove did not come down.
40,000 pellets come out of it. Not one of them hit. Oh God!
I give up.
Roll Tide.
That's how you got them so far away. What you know about that? And Andrew had long hair. What you know about that?
All right, guys, we finally got done counting all the birds. We're on the way home. We're gonna stop at the Chicken Shack in Laverne, eat us a nice dinner, and head on north. Shot 101 birds. We had us a little, what do you call it? A little guessing game.
Oh yeah.
We were throwing out numbers about how many dove we shot. Turns out, the farmer's son guessed 100, and his buddy guessed 102, and I was like, man, I'll split them. And guessed 101. Sure enough, I didn't even have time to count them. So 101 birds. So it was a damn good day. What you think?
Best hunt I've ever been on.
Oh yeah, 100%.